Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at something that is, well, it's just beautifully absurd from the world of broadcast tech.
It really is.
We're talking about the Datavideo CB-24. It's an all-in-one snake cable.
Mm-hmm.
And get this, it's 328 feet long, costs $819, and weighs
Yeah.
about 40 pounds.
In the box, yeah. The weight of a small dog, basically.
Exactly. So our mission today is pretty simple.
Mm-hmm.
Why on earth did this exist, and why is it so non-negotiable for pros?
Well, you hit on it. For a single cable to have that price and that weight, it's not just about, plugging something in.
Right.
This is about solving a massive logistical headache at scale. When you need to span an entire football field, efficiency is everything.
That 328-foot distance is really the key, isn't it? I mean,
Yeah.
what kind of logistical nightmare is this thing actually preventing?
Imagine running 3 separate cables that long.
Oh, a mess.
Huh?
An absolute tangle.
It would be a disaster. The core function of a snake cable like this is pure management. It's combining 3 critical functions into one single jacketed line.
So you're saving on labor, setup time.
Triple the labor, triple the time, and you're also cutting down on, tripping hazards and signal mix-ups. It's huge.
So let's break down the anatomy. What are the 3 things it's carrying? I see it has 2 video feeds.
Yes, 2 video feeds, which is interesting.
One is an SD-SDI BNC cable. Standard stuff.
Your high-quality program feed, exactly.
But the other one is a composite BNC cable. I mean, composite. That feels a little legacy, no?
That's the critical detail. I know what you're thinking, but in a live environment, that composite feed is an absolutely rock-solid confidence monitor feed.
Oh, okay.
It's rugged, it's reliable, and it works with older field monitors. This is for the operator, so they can just quickly see what's going on.
I see. So it's a backup or a utility feed, not the main program.
Precisely.
Okay, so we've got dual video. What's the third component? The silent hero, you could say.
That would be the communication line. It's a 5-pin XLR male-to-female tally cable.
Callie, the little red light.
The little red light that says you are live right now. The 5-pin XLR means it integrates directly with professional intercom systems.
So you have crystal clear comms and signal coordination over that whole 328 feet.
Mm-hmm. And it's also TAA compliant, which is a whole other thing. It's a spec required for, government contracts and big corporate jobs.
Okay, so that cost the $819 on.
Yeah.
It's starting to make a bit more sense. You're not just buying copper.
Not at all.
You're buying the engineering that makes 3 very different signals play nicely together over long distance.
Exactly. And you can see that if you look at their shorter options.
I did. The 98-foot version, the CB-22H, that's $349.
Right.
The 164-foot one is $499. But then to double that length again, the price just skyrockets to $819.
It's not a linear scale. The cost goes up dramatically because the physics of the problem gets exponentially harder. Preventing crosstalk, bleed between those lines over that distance, that's really, really difficult.
So that price tag is basically the cost of guaranteed reliability.
Because of physics, yeah.
So to wrap this up, for you, the person who actually has to set this stuff up in the field, the Datavideo CB-24 is a problem solver.
That's the perfect word for it.
It takes video and more video and critical communication and just bundles it into one manageable line. It streamlines everything.
And that leads to the real takeaway question here.
Okay.
I want you to think about this. What's the actual cost of not using this? Imagine the labor cost of 3 people running 3 separate cables.
The troubleshooting time.
The risk of a signal dropping during a live event. The sheer pain of winding up 328-foot cables at the end of a long day.
Oh, yeah.
Suddenly, that $819 doesn't just look reasonable, it looks like a bargain, right? So the provocative thought is, what other logistical problems out there are just waiting to be solved by combining specialized functions into one elegant piece of gear?